What's up, you travelers? Apo from around the good world here. I'm still in Sarajevo, and today's kind of an adventure day. I will explain. I will go out and find a place to experience. Oh man, burek is so good here, seriously. Burek was delicious. And now I'm gonna take my stuff and go to the train station, catch the train and go. The train leaves in 20 minutes, it's hot, that's heavy, and I'm late. Got my ticket, I have to go to platform number 1. Okay, going to Mostar. I'm in Mostar again. Now I have to find the house of my couchsurfer. I'm in this place, like a bus stop with cafeterias and hotels. It's kind of weird. My host is playing tennis. He's gonna be here around 10:30 and now it's 7:30. So I have 3 hours to kill, and I know a very good way to do it. I'm gonna edit my video. So I have arrived in Mario's house. I'm gonna have my shower now and sleep. Ciao and see you tomorrow. Good morning from Mostar. I have to go out fast. Okay, let me explain what's going on. I needed to do my laundry. I couldn't find anywhere something. I found another couchsurfer and he wants to do my laundry. I know it's ridiculous, but still it demonstrates the kindness of people. I guess we're going to the old town with Irfan. Irfan, do you want to be in the video?
No problem.
So, is there a specific place that we're going?
We can go under the old bridge.
Here it is. Enjoy.
This bridge is made in Ottoman Empire when the Ottomans was here in Balkan, and it was the important bridge who connect two sides of the river. Jumping competition every September. It is a world jumping competition, and the boys and girls from all the world came here to competition in jumping.
After chilling next to the bridge with Irfan, it's time to go back, take the laundry, dry it, and then I will Kotor and Montenegro. I haven't introduced you yet to Mario.
Greetings, people.
Mario is camera shy and that's why he has a blurry face. How do you feel about your blurry face, man?
Well, you can see.
Mario! Ciao Mario, ciao! I'm gonna get a taxi, get out of the city, and then try to hitchhike all the way to Montenegro. This guy came here, he stands in front of me, he doesn't let me hitchhike. And another guy. It was already a very difficult spot. I'm waiting here for an hour and a half and like nobody wants to stop. Probably these people they're in a worse economic situation than me, and like I should be more grateful and like I shouldn't be such an asshole actually. Sorry universe. But from the other hand, like finally after 2 hours I got my ride. Actually I took another route which is shorter but with less cars. Today is gonna be an adventure, so I'm outside of Stolaj and there are no cars and no hitchhiking spot. Like it's an adventure. Literally in the middle of nowhere.
Dobar dan!
I'm in the back of this car. It's a bit hilarious. Not the most comfortable, but like it's so fun. Me, Apo. You?
Miro, Došo.
Došo?
Friends.
Friends. So we're drinking our coffee here. Obviously I left the cafeteria. Oh, so I'm in that spot for like an hour and a half now, still in Lubinje. And cars are a bit rare here. Some days you just have to wait for 6-7 hours in the street. That's life. Other people, they're in the street for their whole life and they can travel and go everywhere around the world. And yes, some days I might have to wait a little bit more in the street. In the end of the day, who's gonna be happy? You cannot just find happiness just sitting on your couch. Like, you have to work for your happiness. Or maybe I'm just weird and telling weird stuff. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I think. And I'm looking for a place, pitch my tent. Superheroes of YouTube. Dobar dan. It seems that I found a great place to stay for the night with all these little heroes around me. Just look at this place. Your name? Apo. You? Everybody was like, yeah, no problem, no problem. So I guess I can sleep in this beautiful place. That means that the sun is going down, so I have to make my tent. Good morning. I would like to film like a happy morning that I'm getting out of my tent and everything is fine, but everything is not fine. Everything is wet. I was planning to go start hitchhiking very early, but everything has to dry first. Now I'm gonna eat my fantastic, not at all, breakfast, which consists of bread and bad meat. My hopes are going really down. As you can see, plenty of cars, not at all. I need to cross to Montenegro. I hope I will do it today. If not, I was actually losing all of my hope until Daniel stopped for me. The good news is that we're going to... After a whole day, I am finally in Trebinje. I'm not gonna take any chances. I'll just take a bus. But for now, let's see if there is a bus for Montenegro today. At this point, little did I know about what was about to happen in the next 10 minutes. I bought my ticket and I sat in the cafeteria to have a coffee and check my mail. There, out of nowhere, a huge drunk guy from another table appeared and asked me in a very rude way, without speaking any English, to put my camera into my bag. Quick note here, the camera was turned off with the lid on the lens. I asked him why and he just got crazy. He took my camera and threatened me with it. Long story short, I hit the camera, he went away and I got on the bus still shattered, feeling weak and vulnerable the whole way through, realizing that I just had my worst travel experience until now. Just arrived in Kotor. I'm not in a very good psychological state. I will just try to stay at a hostel for free. First hostel was over there, didn't go as planned. He said no, let's go for the second. They said yes! Yes! Even this day that looked so hard and so difficult, like in the end, rewarded me with this awesomeness. You have to go through hell first, you have to feel the pain in order to feel the happiness in the end. Like, I'm so happy that I'm here right now. In the next videos, you're gonna see all this happiness unfolding in front of your eyes. Stick around, subscribe, comment, like, because all these things actually make a lot of difference. And always remember that spending less is travel more. Thanks for watching, be well and see ya!